We see situations often where our customers are unfortunately sold a service by a supplier which falls short of expectation. It happens most often when a supplier takes on a project that they weren't qualified for, or they underbid it just to win the work. Afterwards, unbeknownst to the customer, the supplier tries to figure out how to deliver on that project, at times with a razor-thin margin. Inevitably, the supplier begins to struggle, leaving work half done or poorly executed. The supplier's communication even begins to decline, all while leaving the customer wondering what happened. The customer is then forced to seek out a new supplier to come in and pick up where the first supplier fell short. It's an incredibly frustrating experience for the customer. When our company gets brought in to pick up the pieces from a former supplier, our sole job is to restore the confidence with our customer by getting that project back on track towards successful completion. And we do this through a high level of collaboration, communication, and transparency. Because in the end, it's all about successful execution. Outside of that, nothing else matters.